What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I just want to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA 20 hand push washer. I really hope some point this year will get used, either this weekend or next weekend, but it will get used again at some point this year because I do like this machine because you can see how much it's better this machine is, like you can tell. But I'm hoping some point this year will get used at some point this year for 2025, which it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but I hope at some point this year will get used at some point. I don't even know what this eagle button even does yet, so I don't know. There's no videos on it. And this is what eagle button does. You can see this is a 2024 model, so this came out like last year. You can see because you see how much it's better this thing. I can tell. Which I'm hoping some point this year will get used at some point this week, this year, either this weekend or next weekend, but it will get used again this year. I promise. I promise you this thing will get used at some point this year. Like I said, most of the stuff don't get used as often, like the blowers, the trimmers, anything else like basically. But this thing and other stuff you can see doesn't get used a lot of times, but you see how much it's better this machine is. Okay, so I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025. Which it will get used at some point because you see how much it's better this change this blower here exactly. This push washer here exactly because I mean this same bag you can use on the blower, the head screw, and chainsaw, and this way you can see because that's how much it's better this thing. Which I'm hoping some point this thing will get used at some point this year because well you know how it's better this thing exactly because I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year because I do want to get to see one use again this year.